Hello, hello, and welcome to my world. Lorrie here, and I got mail. I'm super excited, and I thought I would share with you. So thanks for popping in and having a visit. And if you haven't, subscribe, all that jazz. And let's see what I got. So this one is from the Sweet Girls, the Vineyard Chicks. Now, if you're not familiar with their channel, of course, I will put a link down in the bottom. They have a combined channel that they do together. That's the Vineyard Chicks, and they do homesteading and animals and music and just all kinds of stuff. And then they each of the girls has their own channel as well, and I will link those down below as well. So let's see what they have sent me. I'm super excited because I actually know what it is because I won it at a draw at one of their lives. Oh, they sent a message. But look, it's a hat. It's a hat. It's a hat. Now I have a hat. So I'm going to wear that for the rest of the promote them. And let's see what this says. Thank you. Happy spring. We miss watching you guys on Saturdays. Aw, that's so sweet. We are going to be doing a live on Saturday, May 7th. So we haven't completely cut out the lives. We've just cut them back down to once a month, just because scheduling and stuff like that. So yeah, but May 7th, we will be going live at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you can make it, pop on in and say hi. We'll be there for about an hour, maybe a little bit longer, because we're not doing it every week anymore. Anyway, we pray that the Lord keep you all safe. Love y'all, Vineyard Chicks, KK, Trey, and Bunky. And I tell you what, these are fantastic girls that give me hope for the future of the world. And so the next one I have is from April over at Britton Farms. And this is the Shed Wars thing. If you're not familiar with Shed Wars, it is a global gardening community, and they have gardeners all around the world in all kinds of different atmospheres, from really small gardens to great big large gardens to growing on an apartment balcony. And they try to teach people that it's possible to grow your own food or grow something of your own food, something that you can eat or use in the kitchen, in your own home. So, and it's possible. If you watch some of my videos, I do lots of gardening, and I've just started gardening indoors. But anyway, so this is, she sent me all kinds of stuff. Here are the rules. So once you get the Shed Wars seed box, take what you would like. Exciting. Add what you would like. I'll have to go through my seeds. I probably won't record all of that, but make a video call out to another channel I am going to pass the box on to. I should also contact them beforehand to make sure they want to participate. And they must be in Shed Wars 22. So the person that I'm passing this along to is Elizabeth's Adventures. And that's because we're starting out here at the West Coast with sending those out. And Elizabeth lives just a little ways further east from where I live. I think I'm the furthest west. And this, I guess, will have to go with the packaging all the time. So the fourth step, and I have talked to Elizabeth. It says you make sure you contact them before you send it to make sure that that they want to participate. And I have spoken with Elizabeth, and she's all excited. So that's where it's going next. And then once everyone that wants to participate in the Shed Wars community, this will end with Robert. And so whomever the last person is that's involved. And that's probably going to be a while from now, because first it's going to make its way across Canada, and then it's going to make its way back down to the U.S. and make its way down there. So I'm assuming it's going to get quite a bit bigger than this by the time it gets back to Robert there at Homestead Aquarius. And I'm going to leave links for everybody in the farm. So the Vineyard Chicks, I should actually jot this down because I always forget to do this. I know I have a pad of paper somewhere. So let's just very quickly, we'll say HAN Vineyard Chicks and Britton Farms so far. And Elizabeth's Adventures. So I'll leave links for all of those down in the description. And then it says, at some point, this box will need to be upsized. Please leave the paper directions in the box on top so the next person can see them. So she's included a copy of the rules here on a piece of paper that when it does, I guess I don't have to send the box. I can just send the rules here. So fabulous. From April at Britton Farms. And if you have not checked out any of these channels that I'm mentioning, make sure that you go and do that because they're fantastic. And oh my gosh, okay, so I'm not going to go through all the seeds with you. Maybe before oh my gosh, there's some sunflowers. Ooh, mystery seeds. Oh no, these aren't mystery seeds. These are in case I want to include seeds of my own. She's included some empty packages. So that's very cool. But let's see. Sunflowers, marigolds, peas, wildflowers. Ooh, cilantro. Onions. Yay, love onions. Anyway, so I'm not going to. But look at this box. It's a box full of seeds. So this is fantastic. Thank you so much, April, for including me in this. And I will go through them as quickly as I can and get them sent off to Elizabeth so that she can do the next step of this journey. And then there is also, this is to Lorrie's World. This is your special package from us at Britton Farms. So let's open that up and see what that is. Yay! It's a sticker. Oh, green screen giveaway when the color green disappears in whatever you hold up. Da, da, da. And let's see this letter. I'll read some of it if it's not too personal. I don't assume it's super personal. Today is a great day to have a great day. I won't read it. Several seeds, veggies, but basically is saying what's in the box. Thanks for your participation. That kind of stuff from April. I may forward this along as well, April, and cross off my name at the top and add my name to the bottom or to the back, and we can send it along with the box too, because why not? This is very nice. Anyway, so I guess that's all I got for today. So that was short and sweet, just a little bit under 8 minutes. I can probably just throw this up as is without any editing. And I'm going to say thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me and checking out my mail call. I love mail. Dave's going to be so jealous that I have such a nice hat and he just has a black one. Anyway, thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate you. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Take great care of yourself. Bye now.